God, I can't believe this woman just ate a raw human leg. What a mad lass. That's insane. Oh, wow. She really did do that. Can't believe you can hunt her. That's so weird. Look at wildlife. Does she show up on... Yeah, she does. She's considered wildlife. That's so weird. What the fuck? I mean, cool, I guess. Wild human. All by herself. Alright. We also need to start work on research. We need to research batteries. Alright, let's set up our... Let's make this the freezer now. And set up a new stockpile zone over on this side. Moving everything over. Put it on draft. I didn't want the fucking animal in my warehouse. But transport pod cached. Paulette, huh? Looks like she's gonna be bleeding out. Like there's no way I can save her, unfortunately. She's cracked her spine too. Oh. 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 Well, let's go steal her stuff as quickly as possible, I guess. How good is her? She's not that good anyways. Damn, I feel bad for her, but like, we need that shit. Prioritize. Before she bleeds out so that this stuff becomes not bad. This is the ancient danger. Okay, good to know. Let's put on that. Put on that. But nice. Look at that. She's now got parka to keep her warm, a devil strand button-down shirt, and her synthread pants. Devil strand, not very pretty, unfortunately, but pretty damn good insulation. Pretty damn good. Yeah, nice. Worth a lot, too. This place nice and warm. Yeah, we need to get batteries researched. So let's prioritize research tomorrow. The visitors from the Busto Alliance. Hopefully we can buy something good from them. Oh, Droro's eating a person again, I think. Yep, she's doing that again. Oh, nice. Alright, Dorero, you need to go put clothes on. Yeah, she's gonna go do that right now. Nice. Alright, so now let's rework this. And that looks good. Let's see him get to work. Let's bring that up to 3 actually for now. Nice. Since it looks like you'll be here for a while, Clemsy thinks it would be a good idea to give your faction a name. What should your faction be called? Ooh, this is tough. Conservative Kinlig? No. 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 Oh, I know. Kingless Nation of Landmowalster? That's pretty good. I do like calling this place Luton. I do like Kingless Nation of Landmowalster. Yeah, Kingless Nation of Landmowalster. That's what it is. This colony is Luton. I will actually bring her doing that up to 3 so that she can focus on researching for now. And she'll, Duero here, she'll go and repair everything. Also, you should go trade real quick. Alright, let's see if we can't buy some stuff. Beer. Of course I'll buy some beers. I'm never gonna say no to buying a bunch of beer. Let's go. And I don't think we need anything else. Let's just buy a bunch of beer. Nice. Accept. Let's haul this. She gonna go have a beer? Yeah, she is. Duerga is not gonna hunt. She's not very good at it. I do want to equip her with the knife though, so that she is able to at least defend herself to a degree. Duero's life has increased, like, has been made immensely better by coming and joining the colony. Ooh, a flash storm. Concerning. I had some fires that are gonna spread because there's all trees everywhere. um. Let's set this all to 3. I want her to go and get things done. Let's set these to actually 1 and these to 2. So when she's done with that, she'll work on this. Let's set researching to, well, yeah, let's set researching to 1 for now. And then set these things to 2 and hunt to 2. She's very fast at working at that stuff. She's got really high planting. And she enjoys it a lot, burning passion, so she's happy. What's that shake? Fires. I'm sure it's fine. Just ignore it. And hope it goes away. Clemsy's still in bed. Get up, Clemsy. You're all rested. Come on. 100%. Get up. There you go. Let's hold these doors open next time you walk through them, because this is indoors as well. Having it be the same temperature as this room is, I think, a good idea. And also these doors are just slow to open, so leaving them open is a fine idea to me. Duero is hard at work out here. Oh, she's planting the corn. Nice. But after she does that, I'm gonna tell her to go and deal with this very quickly. Prioritize cutting that pine tree, because it is slowing our production of energy. Hopefully it doesn't get over here. Got our cotton growing over here. Nice. Worried about our ability to survive through winter, but luckily it's summer, so we don't have to worry about it yet. I don't know why it says permanent winter is the local season, because it's not. This biome has multiple seasons, so I don't know why it says permanent winter. That's concerning. Let's try and stop it by cutting all of these plants that can bring it closer, maybe. Or maybe not. Maybe don't do anything about it, that's fine, I guess. We need to cut these plants. We need to do it. Not in a rush, though, obviously. Look at her go. She's vibing. Just watching the fire closer. She's gonna go eat real quick as well, just real quick, Oh, no. I'm gonna set her to plant cutting. It's time to clear the trees. Why is it not hot over here? It should be really hot over here. Like all over here. Like, I get we're outside, but outside isn't all the same temperature, actually. In real life. If you're near fire, it's hot. If you're near, like, charred, burned stuff, it's also still hot. We've got to save our plants. Oh, it's raining, yes. Whew. We're good. We're good. What is she doing? In beer? Okay, whatever. We're good. I'll just cancel, I guess, all of this. She can go back to prioritizing, harvesting, and growing. Oh. We're fine. We're fine. Nice. All of our rice and potatoes and cotton is planted. How pleasant. Did I just have 2 beers? I mean, base. That's what I do. Or no, I just ate and now I'm having a beer. Okay, never mind. Nice. Look at her go. Go, Clemsy. Barrow's gonna go and plant more corn. And not, I meant just these. All of them out of here. They don't belong. Also, I'd like to cancel all of the work that's not involved in clearing this place out to grow plants. Some wild heal root, which is nice. We should set to harvest when fully grown. All of these. Nice. Alright. I don't think we need to work on any more research for right now. So that's a 2. 2. I don't know, just have her do her thing. Whatever she feels like she needs to do. She can go do it. So, now, we gotta set up our battery little place for batteries. That's getting deconstructed, so let's set up the batteries in here. Put some more batteries in there like that, because that way every battery is accessible. That's accessible from 3 tiles. That is accessible from 1, 1, 3, 2, 2, and then 1. So that's wonderful. Accessible and wonderful. Yay, almost all the corn is planted now, Pog. It's some improved corn too, because it's on the nice soil. Trade with them real quick. Alright. We could buy some guinea pigs and we could farm guinea pigs. That would be funny and cool. I think I want to do that, actually. I think I want to farm guinea pigs. They're expensive, but I have a lot of money. I'm gonna buy the 2 guinea pigs and I'm gonna farm guinea pigs. That does sound like a good time. Can we buy all of their pemmican? Yeah, let's buy all of their pemmican so we have a bunch of extra food. That's useful. Buy their smoke leaves too. Fuck yeah. Can we sell? I mean, we have a ton of money. We can just give them my money. Awesome. Give us the pemmican and smoke leaf. And the guinea pigs. So let's set up a little safe zone for our guinea pigs so they don't die. We got a lot of wood, so let's make it out of wood. Make them a little barn. And little area they can walk in. There's a lot of predators around here, so I don't want them walking around like furry. So let's go like to here. And this will be the barn that they can hang out in. It'll have double doors. And then they can just live out in this area and hang out here. And can wander around all they want in this area. Kind of hall right next to the side of it. That way, you actually have to... You can't just break down a door and get into the guinea pig farm. Like, protected. And then we can set up some animal sleeping spots. For the guinea pigs. And then we want wooden floors in here as well. In the guinea pig farm. Nice buck. She's needing to get her asthma treated. She's going to be a problem for us because she's going to use a lot of medicine. So that's something we're going to need to solve. It's very well tended. Nice. I also think once this is built, I'm going to put the butcher table out here. Build roofed area. This is going to be roofed. All of this. All of this is going to be roofed. And this is going to be like, do not ever roof this. And I guess at that point we can just put up walls as well. Why not? And just, we can just lock the guinea pigs out of there, I think. Clear allowed area, guinea pig farm. Can't go in there. Sorry, guinea pigs. Uh-oh. That's unfortunate since both of us are women. Damn it. Oh, at least we have beer and smoke leaf. Where's... There she is. She's collecting all that wood. Alright, I guess that's helpful. Although, to be fair, I would like her to deprioritize hauling. Yep, she's smoking a smoke leaf. Nice. She got high and went to bed. I'm just worried about any big scary wild animals. There's a wild grizzly bear right there, which I'm not a fan of. I want to get these walls up. Where is she? Where's my people? Ah, there she is. The grizzly bear is luckily asleep right now. Whew. And then we also have a cougar over here. Well, something was killed right here. And it got eaten pretty quickly, obviously by the cougar. Yeah, we need to get these walls up, like, quickly so we don't have dead guinea pigs. One of our guinea pigs is already pregnant, I'm pretty sure. Our female guinea pig here. Also, hopefully guinea pigs have more than one baby when they're pregnant. I know that real guinea pigs do, but I don't know how it'll work in this game. How old do they usually live to, first of all? 12. So she's only got like 4 years left. But that's okay. She's not made any progress at all. In fact, she's lost progress on taming. So, even though I set myself to do that for her, we are not training her. Probably because we don't have any raw meat. We just have fucking corpses. That's fine. Okay, let's prioritize this. Please. You as well. Let's prioritize the wall. This is an incredibly important wall. Don't you dare, bear. I see you. What are you doing? Okay, never mind. I'm gonna kill this bear. I'm gonna have to. I don't trust it. Alright. It left. I made it run away. I'm not gonna kill it. I just am gonna shoot at it and it's gonna die from bleeding out. Yeah, is that a bad thing to do? Yes, but oh well. Get out of here, bear. Leave my guinea pigs alone. Let's also grow, like back here, hay grass, which they can eat, and we can take advantage of ourselves as well. Let's make sure we're not building a roof. Okay, we're not. Fuck. Swear to God, grizzly bear. You get out of here. You. I hate these fucking predators that are right next to my guinea pigs. She's gonna have to melee this fucking cougar if it comes any closer. I'm gonna shoot the cougar. Because... Get away from my guinea pigs. Get away from my guinea pigs! Get away from them! Leave my guinea pigs alone. Villain, away. Okay. Fucking watching you. That bear's bleeding out. I feel bad for shooting that bear and letting it bleed to death, but I had to protect my guinea pigs. I do feel bad for it. I did a bad thing. That was wrong of me. But I don't know what else I was supposed to do. The bear was coming, was scaring me. It was way too close to my guinea pigs. I knew it! I knew it was gonna happen! I knew it, I knew it, I knew it, I knew it! Go, 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 go! No, move, move, move! Move, 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 move! No! No, no, no! God damn it! No! No! Wait, what? No! And it was the female that died! Goddamn cougar! Goddamn cougar! No! Ah, fuck! I should have killed the cougar. I know I should have killed the cougar. I knew I should have killed the cougar. I'm gonna go kill the cougar now, at least. Die, cougar. Kill it. What? Why did it get up? It's dead. Fucking piece of shit cougar. Damn it. Whatever. Let's cancel this stuff. We got no animals anymore because I'm gonna get rid of this guinea pig because we can't use it anymore. Damn it. Well, that was that dream crushed. I guess. That's that dream crushed. I'll finish this though, actually. Because I would like to... let's not put that there. I would like to, put the butcher area in here. Damn it. That was so... That was really sad. Let's cancel that. That was very sad. That's sad. It's also wasted money. Just a whole lot of tragedy right there. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. I love you all.